Today we're taking a look at this 15.6-inch wireless monitor by HotYeah. And before we get too much further, it is important to note it was provided for demonstration purposes. Now this is a 1080p monitor and it supports AirPlay and Miracast, which means this is going to be super easy to use. To get this started, first you just need to kick out this stand here and it's going to expose the buttons. With that kicked out, just hold the top power button and voila, it is up and running. So you can see this is the welcome screen here, and I'm going to go ahead and put this down. I'll go ahead and grab my phone and I am going to go to the mirroring option. If you're unable to see it on here, what you're going to do is click the show more, and then you can see it's 524B51. Go ahead and click on that and voila, it is now mirroring my screen. Now this is really cool because you can do whatever you want with it, and you can kind of mirror a presentation, you could extend your laptop, but what's also cool is it has built-in speakers so you can listen to music or watch a movie. And then what's even better is that it's also aware of the screen orientation. So what we can do is we can also put this up, and now you can see here that we've got a very big representation of my phone. This is just super awesome game changer, having that extra space to work with. So this is just a really cool way to see a bigger version of your phone screen. Now you're able to extend the monitor on your Mac as well. But what's also great about this is it comes with 2 USB-C cables, and you're able to connect it as a physical line backup just in case. So whether your device maybe isn't compatible with the wireless version, or you just want to use the hardwired connection, that way you're able to get this charging. You can see here now that it's extending my monitor for my Mac, and we're good to go. This has an 8,000 milliamp hour battery, and it should last about 4 to 5 hours. When you hit the menu button on the side, you can even see that it's got the battery percentage down there, so you know how much battery life you have left. I love this screen. You can adjust the brightness on it. With this using a USB-C cable, it's something you're going to find everywhere. It's something that you use to charge many laptops, so you'll always be able to pull out of the box and get this thing connected. Its 1080p resolution is great. I feel like it's sharp enough for me to see what I'm doing, and it's just overall going to complement my travel workflow, and I'm super excited for it. Overall, if you're looking for a portable monitor that's both wireless and wired, I'm super happy with this one, and I do recommend it.